Okay, I have a bomb in front of me. On the front of it, I think there are 3 modules. So the first one is some symbols, 4 symbols in a 2x2 square.
Okay.
So the first symbol is a smiley face sticking its tongue out.
Okay.
A star, black star.
Yep.
And it's a symbol that looks like a candlestick. I think it's a sign.
Oh yes, yeah, got it.
And then there's like one of those paragraph return symbols.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
You need to click the candlestick.
Yeah.
Smiley face.
Yeah.
Paragraph.
Yeah.
Star.
Yeah, done it. Green light. So then we've got a big button.
Big button.
It's blue and it says press.
Press, okay. How many batteries are on the bomb?
How many batteries? Can't see any.
Okay.
0, I think. Yeah, I say
Okay.
0.
Okay. Hold the button down.
Yep.
What colour is the strip?
Yellow.
Okay, release from the countdown has 5 in any position.
I just missed one. Done.
Cool.
Green light. So then we've got some wires.
Oh yeah.
It's 5 horizontal wires.
Okay. What's
Starts from
the
top.
last wire?
The last wire is white.
Okay.
Do you
How
want to
many
know?
red wires are there?
1 red wire.
Okay. How many yellow wires are there?
0 red. 0 yellow wires.
Okay. And there's no black wires?
There are 3 black wires.
Okay. Cut the first wire.
Done.
Nice.
247 remaining.
That's pretty good.